All right, should you focus on appreciation or cash flow? I'm Jim Fong with the Jim Fong Group at Urban Nest Realty in Las Vegas, and today that's what we're going to discuss in this video. Should we focus on appreciation or cash flow? And if you like videos and tips about real estate investing and how to create passive income or gain financial independence, please subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos, all right? Today we're going to talk about appreciation versus cash flow, all right? Appreciation is basically you hope that the real estate that you invest in ends up becoming worth more money than you bought it for, obviously, right? We all want that, but that's definitely focusing on appreciation, all right? Cash flow is if you really want to just maximize your monthly returns on your income, right? So let's dig a little deeper into that, all right? So appreciation, all right? When you are focusing on appreciation, you're not so worried about your monthly income on the property, all right? So a great example of that is if you were to invest in a premier area, a high-end area, all right? Maybe it has the best school zones or something like that, right? You spend a lot more money in this area to buy this property, all right? And then you rent it out, and you know your rent that you collect probably covers your mortgage by just a little bit, right? So you're not making a lot of money on the property every month as an investment, but your hopes are, in 5, 10, 15 years when you sell it, it's worth a lot more than you bought it for. That is focusing on appreciation, all right? And it's a great way to build assets that way. The other side is focusing on cash flow. Cash flow is an example of an investment where you're focusing on cash flow is maybe you buy a fourplex or a condo or something like that where each of your units are lower in cost, right? Lower cost to acquire. Your rents are good, they're like at market value, but you're really focusing on making the profit every month, right? So the cost to acquire this property was lower, so your return and your cash flow is higher every month. But let's just say in 5 to 10 years, this property is worth not that much more because it's in an area that is not highly desirable for some people. That's what drives up real estate prices, right? So if you're focusing on a cash flow property and you're buying in maybe a less expensive area, you'll make more money every month, but over time when you go to sell it, it may not appreciate as much in value, all right? It's always good to balance these things out, all right? If you own a bunch of property that are all in high-end areas, maybe you should diversify and buy something that is going to give you a little more monthly income. Or maybe you have too many lower income property type things where you're making great cash flow, but they're not going up in value very much. That's maybe some time for you to add to your portfolio like a high-end area home where it's gaining in value more than just focusing on the monthly income. All right? So if you like videos about investing, please check out my other videos.